proud of you. And you're to me like a cousin that I've always had like a special connection with. I could always go and talk to no matter what, and I feel like we have the same connection. Everyone, we all have our own special connections with everyone. I'd say a couple months ago, Nevin came and visited me at St. Michael's College, and I had, cheers to that.
You did something right.
I did, and my roommates, because
Oh.
No, because I was in my room for a little while getting ready, and he spent a bunch of time with my roommates, really got to know them. They really, really liked him. Gave him the nickname Neville, if anyone's read Harry Potter. But when first on Facebook, I saw that you liked UVM class of 2016, so I was a little hurt for a second, but then I realized you put your deposit down at St. Michael's. I couldn't be more excited. I told all my roommates, they were like, oh, that's great, and I was like, no, this is awesome, like, I did something right. So, I just want to let you know, to give you some advice, go to every class, go to breakfast before every class, go to class on time, study for your finals, that's what's important, but